Hello, my name's Yusef Austin. I'm the founder of The Cocktail Architect. I'm a global mixologist, and today on Desire List, I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple margarita. First, we have some reposado tequila. You're going to put 1.5 ounces of tequila. You need some agave. I always use the light amber because it's not as strong tasting, but it gives it a nice rounded sweetness. You want to put 1/2 ounce of that in here. Then we have fresh lime juice. You want about 3/4 of this. Then you have fresh pineapple juice that's been strained. You want to use 1 ounce. Then you're going to take a shaker tin, give it a nice smack, give it a nice shake. Make sure you don't leave any liquid in the little tin. And pour it into your glass. It has ice in it. It's got a Hawaiian pink salt rim with a pineapple leaf as a garnish. And at the end, you have hibiscus syrup. You just drizzle it on top for the effect. So there you have a pineapple margarita, Hawaiian red salt rim, a pineapple leaf, and you got a little bit of hibiscus to give you some dimension and contrast.